If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and ring the bell to make sure you get those notifications, and tell your friends about my video. Thank you. Okay. What country is it going to be? I'm going to guess Spain. Oh my god! It's South Korea! This is so exciting, we got South Korea! Okay, any South Koreans? First snack. Oh no. There's fruit on the packet. Peaches, I think these are. I can't read any of this. I can't find it. My Gummy. Chewy, natural fruit, jelly, sweets. Great as a quick snack. And kids love it. You can either get grape or peach flavour. I don't like fruit, but I will try these. It looks like a peach. Or a bottom. I don't like it. But I think that's because I don't like peaches. Not because they're bad sweets. Oh, what's this? Oh, look, it's got a cute little sweet potato on the front. Look how happy it looks. A little smiley face. Sweet potato snack. Okay? A deliciously crunchy snack. It is the perfect combination of sweet potatoes and maple syrup. Tell you what, I think I am very excited to try this. I've just got a feeling that I'm going to love it. Oh, what's this? It's got bits in. I don't want bits in my crisps. Oh my word. I'm thinking of what word I could use to describe this. Great. These are great. I love them. They are sweet and crunchy and also salty. Oh no. I think I just ruined them for myself because I was trying to think about what they taste similar to. They taste like cereal. I think I've ruined them. Oh my god, what are these? Pancho. Does anyone remember that video? Pancho, the Italian little chihuahua. Pancho, ir a la vuelta or whatever. And then he like throws the chihuahua into the snow and then he disappears. He died. Pancho died. Like this year. I was so sad when I found out. Named for the prank played by Korean children. I didn't know there were children in Korea. Sorry, that was a joke. These crunchy biscuits are filled with delicious chocolate. Oh my god, they're like the pandas. You know the pandas. You know what I'm talking about. Don't you? Bit of a rip-off, to be honest. The box is this big. The contents are this much. Oh my god. These smell good. These are fantastic. Right. Next one. This looks good. What's this? Custard soft. A golden sponge cake filled with flavour-packed custard cream. It is best enjoyed with a cup of coffee. Unfortunately, I don't have any coffee right now, but tell you what, I think this looks fantastic. I love custard. I love sponge. I love sponge. Sponge, you eat sponges? No, this is just great. This is fantastic. I need a drink. Hang on. It just so happens. Why is it white? Please don't be coconut. Oh no. This is called Milkis Soda. One of the most popular drinks in Korea. It combines the traditional fizz of a soda with the creamy taste of milk and a slight tang of yogurt. So is it a cream soda? Because cream sodas are the devil's drink. Ow! Pillock! Why? Okay, wait. What language is this? Because that doesn't look Korean. Also, this is disgusting. It's like, it's just wrong. It's so wrong. It's like it's literally what it describes. A milky soda. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world.
This is disgusting.
Right. The next snack. Oh, I can already tell I'm going to like this. Choco pie. A snack cake consisting of 2 small round layers of cake with marshmallow filling and a delicious chocolate covering. It looks like a wagon wheel. Very nice, very good. This is a wagon wheel, as I suspected. Next, snack. Famously South Korean. Onion rings. Crunchy onion flavored rings made of flour and fried to crispy perfection in vegetable oil. If you're lucky, you may get the hot flavor. I don't want the hot flavor. I don't think I did. What language is this? That's German. We had the German snack box last time. Oh my god. Open here. How interesting. They are very oniony. I mean, they're okay. Onion rings. How many have we got left? We have 3 snacks left. Selcom Dalcom. Secom Dalcom. Secom. Sour fruit chews that will make your lips smack. Your box can include grape, peach, or strawberry flavoured chews. I believe I've got strawberry here because it says strawberry right there. Apparently, they're going to make my lips smack. I bit my lip. I mean, it's just a fucking starburst. Next snack. You can buy these in Tesco, right? Pepero, Korea #1 brand. Deliciously crunchy biscuit sticks that are super addictive. Your box may include white chocolate. No, white cookie. Oh my god, that sounds so good. I've got fucking almond. Oh, look at that. excellent. Brilliant. Amazing. Effervescent. The last one, I'm not quite sure what I meant to do with this. Hot chicken flavored ramen. Ramen noodles that are wonderfully spicy and filled to the brim with flavor. Can you handle the spice? Oh no. I will shit the bed. Wait, are they really spicy? Well, I can't have this now, can I? Wait, let me have a look at the premium box. Oh, I'm glad there's a orange juice drink in the premium box that's got bits in. Who likes bits in their drinks? The best snack from the box was this better than the German box? I'm gonna say the German box was better because I could eat everything there. The only reason I would say the Korean box is worse is because of the ramen. I don't want to have to put effort into eating the snacks. But like the custard cake, brilliant. I love these. These are okay. These were good until I ruined them. The drink was much better than the German drink. These are good, obviously. Onion rings. Oh, this was good. Save that one for later. And these are great, obviously, but I've seen these before. These are just sweets, aren't they?